For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the
All right, big trailer's off, little trailer's on. We are loaded. That thing needs washed. I'll try to wash it this week. So we're loaded up. Tomorrow, if all goes well, we might have ourselves a another little project for the channel. We shall see. I'm gonna go see what it looks like. If it's something that we want, we'll get it. One of those type things. So it's 38, 40 degrees today, freezing cold. So I'm gonna go in and try to get Levi's pipe knocked out here real quick. But we'll see you on the way down to get our possible project car for the channel for next year. We'll see. It depends on what it looks like. We'll see you in a minute. All right, what's going on, guys? We are loaded up. I loaded everything up yesterday. Trailer's loaded up. My buddy Cash is here with me. He's just sitting up here so we can get this started. We're headed down to North Carolina to get a new, possibly a new project car for the channel. So we will see that. Hopefully it's daylight by the time we get there. It's actually a Monday, so it's a little different, a little crazy. But I got off work about 30 minutes early, waited for Cashton to get off of school, and now we're gonna head down. Let's get it. Guys, check out our new purchase here. I'm not going to get the I don't want man's property and other cars in here, but a little custom grill there. A little bit of custom paint. We got a little bit of rust, but we're full interior. Bench seat with the fold down. There's a little bit of rust on the doors, different stuff like that. But this thing has been, I mean, it's got a hitch, wiring. Use this thing as a handyman's car. So this should work pretty good for us. So, check her out. Check her out. There she is. All right, guys.
I'm really excited because of the dog.
Right, so we are in this, oh my goodness, I've never driven one with an actual, so we're moving.
I can drive with you.
Yeah, that's what.
When I'm older though.
Yep. All right, so we are driving this thing.
Why did when you open it, it's go?
That's just the door. All right, 1982 Fairmont. Let's try not to hit this Pontiac behind us here.
Oh, that's actually really good.
Thing started to ride up after he hadn't drove it for a while. So, all right, let's go. We're gonna make sure that this thing will load onto this trailer.
Why do you not bring the big trailer?
Because there's no need. Open trailers are a little easier whenever it comes to just picking up cars in tight spaces. All right, let's see here.
Daddy.
Make sure we're lined up. I don't know how I did that, but I got it first try. Oh my gosh. Here we be. Streetcar for 2023. Check this guy out back here. Check this guy out back here. What do you think about this thing? You lounging. You're crazy, dude. He loves
back here no matter what you say. I'm not getting out. This thing is
yeah, you're crazy. We're gonna have to go. We got to get.
But I'm not.
You're not staying back here. You better get out, okay?
No.
Make sure the windows are down. All right, guys. So, as you can see, gosh, put your seatbelt on, dude. Put your seatbelt on.
Hold on, I have to find something.
As you can see, found ourselves a little streetcar.
Wait, the way we could go right around in streets.
That's
and
it.
play streetcar.
That's it. Full interior. It drives right now, which is so funny. We may probably put tags and insure it, and it might take the place of the what's the thing called? The Bronco for a little while. I don't know. My little girl loves the Bronco like a lot.
Right.
So
She's gonna probably love that.
she is. This kid was gonna ride in the thing all the way home. He thought he could just ride in the car if he locked the doors. I was like, no, buddy, that's not gonna, you can't be on the trailer. It has the super plush 1982 interior that we're gonna get steam cleaned and get some things cleaned. The floor pans are great. The shock towers are awesome. The rear, there's just a little bit of rust on the rear of the car, and that's because he took it back and forth to New York. It came from Catskill, New York. How awesome is that? So I can't believe we actually stumbled upon this thing. The grill is homemade. It's just awesome. The front paint is like, I'm gonna have to keep a lot of it the way that it is, because it's been done at some point and I love it, because this is the type of, you know, I don't know, it's pretty cool. It's got some type of like green paint, which they mix green and brown, so it's plumb hilarious. So guys, I'm pumped. Let me know what you want to see. What should we do? One thing that I do want, if anybody has a 5-lug Fox body rear end, I would like to swap it over to 5-lug right out the gate. It's got some decent new brakes or something like that, so we're probably going to try to get some I'm gonna drive it around a little bit with the 6-cylinder. I'm sure that it's a turd, but man, it's pretty freaking awesome. I'm pretty pumped. I'm pretty excited. We're down here in a gorgeous part of North Carolina, right below the mountains. This is the foothills of North Carolina, I guess is what you would call it. Look at there, there's a Model A. There were some cool cars there. But anyways, Cashton is excited. He found him a buddy with a dog up there who was just playing with him nonstop. You probably stink from petting that dog because he was a little stinky. But we're loaded up for bear, and it's tinted already, which is awesome. I am quite excited. We're gonna go home. It will be
Probably get my Pokemon thing.
I guess so, buddy. So it's gonna be dark by the time we get home, so I'll probably unload it tomorrow. But I'm just pumped. I'm pretty excited for this thing. So I'm gonna stick some GPS coordinates back in, and then we're gonna head back up the mountain to West Virginia, guys. So let me know what you want to see with this Fairmont. It's a 1982 Fairmont, and the plan is to make a streetcar / drag and drive type build. It already has like a class whatever, I don't know how they're classed, hitch. He used to pull around a trailer and do handyman work with it. I mean, you saw in the trunk was plumb full of tools. He was using it all the time for that. So I'm pretty excited, not gonna lie. Wife is going to hate it. I'll show you guys the reaction of her to this car, because I did bring her on board and made sure she knew that I was buying it. I didn't just run and spend money. I did let her know. So we'll see what she thinks. So all right, guys, hit those comments, let me know what you think. I'm pretty pumped. I think it's awesome. I love old Fords, and this one I couldn't pass up. I got it for a steal. When we talk about some of the things we're going to do with it, I'll tell you what I got it for. So stay tuned for that video. And once we got a little bit of title things that we got to work out with my guy back there, and then we'll be good to go. So man, I'm pretty excited. All right, guys, we will catch you in the next one. Peace.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the